What's up everyone, welcome back to Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Today we have a Dilophosaurus video. What we have here is the Hammond Collection and the 93 Classic Jurassic Park. Okay guys, okay. So the reason I chose this too because of this new Jurassic World Survival Dilophosaurus. It doesn't have a frill. However, Mattel decided to add some quills on the head and the tail. Meanwhile, pretty sure the Dilophosaurus don't have any quills. This is the very first Dilophosaurus with quills. And for some reason they didn't give it any, like a frill, that gill thing that comes out here. But this one has it here. It's not, you can't really take it off though. It's part of the neck. You can tell right there. But however, the the Hammond Collection, you can take it off. You can take this off and transfer it, put it here. Wait, how do you do this again? I don't even remember. Is it like this? Is it the correct way?
Yeah, I think.
Is it like that?
It's supposed to be like that. And now.
Are you sure?
Yes, Daddy. It's supposed not this.
Or it goes backward, like that.
I'm not pretty sure.
Oh yeah, I think it's like this. Yeah, this is correct. So yeah, this is the right way. So yeah, so you can't find this Hammond Collection Dilophosaurus anymore, or you can find an eBay, which are very pricey now. Okay, so we're gonna go unbox our Dilophosaurus. Let's check the back first. We already did the Cosmoceratops. We're not getting this. This could be next, the Myphodon. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling real well. My throat's really itchy. Let's take it out. Alright, so there you go. Okay, so here's the DNA scan. Let's see what this dino can do. You push that button right there. So it bites. It only goes right though. See? It doesn't go left. Oh wow, it has something on its mouth. Look at that. Like that spit. Like what the Dilophosaurus spits. Oh, that's pretty cool. They added that.
I saw that.
Look at that. Right there. That gooey thing that they spit. Right there.
And it be color. Spit it on people's face.
Mm-hmm.
And it be color.
Yeah. I say there's a little damage right there.
Not these two here. Doesn't have one. You put
so the teeth looks really impressive now. It looks really sharp. Right there. Compared to the Hammond Collection back then, I wish they did this too. They made the teeth a little better. And also they added like a little spike on its head. Right there. Not just the gills or the crest. Yeah, the crest. They added a little horn over there with quills. So let's check. Let's try to add this one if it works. I don't think so. It's not meant for him.
Yeah, it look big. Even this not small one.
Yeah.
I see it there.
So let's try this frill right here of the Hammond Collection. Let's see how it works. Whoops.
Don't tell me it go fit.
Should.
Yeah.
Whoops.
I know why you broke that.
Oh yeah. Looks okay. Look at that, see?
You had to paint it like red.
Don't need to.
That looks like a hybrid more now.
Look at that.
That looks like a necklace. Why you say that? It's like a hybrid.
There you go.
It's like a necklace.
Now it has its own.
It's like a mix up.
It still works.
It's a necklace. Yeah, it's like a mix up.
Yeah.
A normal Dilophosaurus. It's a necklace.
The claws are really sharp, which is good. Nice feel. And also we have a surprise, guys. We're gonna unbox this special surprise for you all. Let's take it off now. Whoops.
I saw the post. It's like a picture.
Right, where's that surprise? We're gonna unbox it. What is it?
It's a little open.
No, we got Primal, the complete second season from Gendy's Tartakovsky's.
It coming like a Megalon.
Right, it's from Adult Swim. I'm gonna watch this. Here's Fang and Spear. Looks like there's also Vikings over there.
Let me see.
Wow. So yeah, there you go, guys. Now where's our main guy? Our main dino? There it is. Alright guys, enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Stay warm, it's really cold and wet here. Give it a thumbs up and thank you. You guys have a good evening now. Fairly well.